If you want to find out how long an entity takes to get from one place to another, there's a very simple way to do it. Today we're going to be using the model here in Process Simulator. The model is log.vsd, and as always, it can be found in the Solutions Cafe, already put together just like it is here. Say, for example, we have entities right here, work units, and they arrive at activity 1, and they go throughout the model to activity 2, and then to activity 3, and then to exit. Now, what we want to know is how long it takes for the entity to get from the arrival to the exit. We're going to go into the arrival logic here, go into properties, go into logic, and here we've assigned an attribute. So we've already established that we have an attribute, and it's ATT1. So at the arrival, we're going to set the attribute equal to the current clock time. We do that by writing the logic just like this. ATT1 equals clock, open parenthesis, close parenthesis. So that's all we have to do for that part. And now, if we move along to the exit, we're going to have the logic log with time in system, in quotations, comma, attribute 1. Now, what that's going to do is a couple things. First of all, it's going to take the current time in the system when the entity exit, and it's going to subtract from that time the starting time, which will leave us the time it was in the system. So if it comes in at 1 o'clock and leaves at 1:15, 1:15 minus 1 equals 15 minutes. Now, as it says down here, the default is in minutes. But then when we go into the output viewer and we look at our time plot, it's going to show it in hours. So it's going to show 15 minutes as a fraction of an hour. So don't get confused by that. So it doesn't have to be just on the arrival and the exit. You can put that logic anywhere throughout the model. You can log the time it takes to get from the arrival through the first 2 activities. You would simply, instead of putting your logic here at the exit route, you would put this same line of code in the logic that is this route here, going from activity 2 to activity 3. Thanks for watching.